Here is how to fix an unorganized and a messy hallway. Sometimes it's even hard to find what you're looking for. Do you feel tired, frustrated, or even overwhelmed because of this space? Getting ready to go out or coming back home remind you that something needs to be done with your hallway. Why be faced with stuff to do as soon as you walk through the door? You don't want your guests to think that you're an unorganized or a messy person. Your hallway gives an impression of how you live and what the rest of the house is like. A hallway doesn't need to be hard to organize. Single hanger holders will make your hallway much better organized. No more crowded walls and wasted time looking for your jacket. Feel happy and proud of your achievement. You can have a hallway that puts a smile on your face every time you see it. Invite your friends and show them how your place is well organized. Organizing even hard to manage hallway can be possible with the use of single hanger holders. They allow you to use space more efficiently, even if it's seemingly difficult to manage. So grab your set of single hanger holders today before it's double in price. Click the link below to get yours for only €17 with a free shipping.